An AutoIt v3 script is what you're looking at. Windows automation code capable of controlling GUIs, simulating keystrokes, and scripting repetitive tasks. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you run, compile, or debug these automation scripts. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single AUT file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. AUT files are AutoIt version 3 script files, containing basic-like code for Windows task automation, GUI creation, and system administration. They automate repetitive tasks, including window manipulation, keyboard input, file operations, and registry modifications on Windows systems. AutoIt AUT scripts use a basic-like syntax with built-in functions for GUI automation, window management file, I/O, and COM object interaction. Scripts are interpreted by the AutoIt runtime or compiled to standalone XC executables using the AutoX compiler utility. For comprehensive file management, AUT relies on AutoIt developed by AutoIt team. Windows is unable to perform a full checksum validation required by this file type. Windows cannot natively activate scripts, so users need the proper execution environment. To begin troubleshooting, right-click the AUT file and choose Open With. If you have AutoIt available, that's your first option. Otherwise, select another program. It's often necessary to test multiple apps. If you still cannot open your AUT file, that is okay. Your system failed to open the AUT file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, running the script. Download and install AutoIt v3 from autoitscript.com. Right-click the AUT file and select Run Script to execute it with the AutoIt interpreter. Ensure you trust the script source, as AutoIt scripts have full system access and can modify files and registry settings. Next, editing and debugging. Open the AUT file in SciTE4 AutoIt, the official AutoIt script editor included with the installation. Use the built-in syntax, highlighting auto-completion and debugging tools. Press F5 to run the script directly from the editor with console output for troubleshooting. Finally, compiling to executable. Open AUT2X from the AutoIt installation folder or right-click the AUT file and select Compile Script. This generates a standalone XC file that runs without AutoIt installed. Configure icon and version information in the compiler settings before building the executable. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.